URL decode UTF-8 in Python. I have spent plenty of time as far as I am newbie in Python. How could I ever decode such a URL? To this one in Python 2.7, example.com title equals plus. URL equals alib.unquote url.encode. The UTF-8 is returning something very ugly. Still no solution. Any help is appreciated.
The data is UTF-8 encoded bytes escaped with URL quoting, so you want to decode with urldecode, which handles decoding from %encoded data to UTF-8 bytes and then to text, transparently. Demo. The Python 2 equivalent is urldecode, but this returns a byte string, so you have to decode manually.
If you are using Python 3, you can use urlib.parse.unquote. Gives.
You can achieve an expected result with requests library as well. Output. Might be handy if you are already using requests, without using another library for this job.
In HTML, the URLs can contain HTML entities. This replaces them, too.